What you're looking at is about a 45 to 50 foot tree, standing dead oak. I looked at this tree about 3 days before actually doing the work. When I got there, the gentleman asked me if I was going to climb the tree. I said, "Would you climb that tree?" He said, "No, sir." I opted not to get a lift because I did not want a rented lift sitting below a tree that the limbs were about to fall off at any moment. This tree is what we call a widowmaker. The first time I play this clip, I'm going to do it without the homeowner's commentary on the video. I would like to point out a couple things before we get started with this clip. I did tell the homeowner that I was going to attach a rope from the tree to my dump trailer. I was going to unhook my truck and move it forward so that it was not in the debris field, because when this thing hits the ground, I knew that it was going to explode and little sticks were going to go everywhere. The second thing that you want to notice is the stop sign and the dump trailer and where we are in conjunction with where the tree falls. Just beside the stop sign, even though it's blurry, I did stack up a whole bunch of scrub pine trees that I had to cut down before cutting the tree down. Those scrub pines were laid on the sidewalk to eliminate any fracturing of the concrete. I knew that the limbs were not strong enough to pierce through asphalt, and the angle at which they were going to hit the ground was going to be pretty much perpendicular. So this tree was actually planned out a little better than what I was given credit for in the commentary that you're about to hear. So right now I'm going to start this clip. No music, no sound, no nothing. Basically right now I'm in the woods there. I'm cutting the tree. I'm on the back cut. I have two guys standing ready. Oh, there I am. I just walked out. Does it look like I'm in a panic? No, I'm not in a panic. I simply walk over. We grab the rope just as planned. Here I go. Wait, scared what? Okay, here we go. We're starting to pull the tree. The tree's coming towards us. About this time I said, "Run." Everybody let go, and we ran. Perception is the key to deception. As you see here, the Blue Angels look like they're about to hit each other, but indeed they are feet apart. That's exactly what you see right here. I'm going to replay that clip in slow motion. As you can see, the stop sign is still there once the tree hits the ground. My trailer is still there once that tree hits the ground. None of us are on the ground under the tree. Perception is the key to deception. It looks like that tree almost hammered us, but if we had an aerial shot of this tree, you would see that the tree actually fell to the left of where we were. The stop sign did not get hit. The trailer is in good shape. Pieces did fly everywhere, and the tree is on the ground, just as I told the homeowner. There's nothing terrifying. Yes, wind does play a factor, but not in this case. And no, I was not scared shitless. So now I'm going to play this clip real time and let the commentary on so you can hear what the homeowner had to say.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh, the wind is the worst thing in here, Tom.
Yeah. We haven't had wind all day.
Well, talk about terrifying, huh? Yeah.
Well, you can see which way he wants to go.
You know that guy's scared. He shouldn't.
You know that, Mike?
Yeah.
You see which way the tree wants to
Right
go.
on the right on the garage.
Oh, look at
They're
him.
going to fall on it.
There it goes. There it goes.
Here goes the trailer.
The stop sign.
Oh my God, that almost hit
Was
them.
that luck?